Dear Grandma. Grandma.
That's from Grandma and Grandpa and Mommy.
This is so big. Okay, you go. Okay, what is it? Box.
Another box.
And that's okay, this paper. Let's see what it is. It's quite surprising.
It's quite surprising. Come on, Celtic man. Watch your face, Glenn. Watch out.
Your birthday, we dance.
It's nubuck leather pants with suede suspenders. Ooh, you got a sticker. Dad got a cool sticker.
Okay, it's a.
What is it?
That is more.
More.
More paper.
Just advertising.
More magazines.
Alright.
Now he can wear that with his soccer shirt.
Ah. Cool.
Hope it's everything you ever wanted.
Cool. I'm going to go dance and shake your booty.
Shake your booty.